how to cancel DocuSign plan online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your DocuSign.com. Then from here, tap on the menu bar on the top left corner. And then from here, what you're going to do is simply make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on login and then simply add in all of the credentials of your account in order to log in and log into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, you'll actually be able to see the settings option on the top right corner. All you need to do is, after signing in or logging into account, get to your dashboard, then tap on setting icon and then get to your settings. And on your settings, you'll actually be able to see the option of plan and billing, right? Simply tap on that option, plan and billing, and after doing that, here you'll actually be able to see downgrade plan or cancel subscription. Tap on that one and then simply confirm it, and just like that, you will successfully be able to cancel your DocuSign plan online. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.